Good morning and welcome to the daily no nonsense crypto minutes. Today I want to get into the mental game. When it comes to crypto, I mean trading, investing in general. I mean it's easy to feel the fear of missing out, or get where you're just chasing after something. You feel like this is the only opportunity, this is the last opportunity. Got to get in, got to do this. Well, I just want to let you know that once you can master, and for me, mastering JOMO, the joy of missing out, just knowing that there will always be another opportunity, there's always another trade, and you cannot possibly catch everything in crypto. But that's okay. I mean, you could still make a lot of money, be successful, be profitable in the crypto space, and not have to catch everything. I mean, so I had to implement JOMO this past weekend. This past week, you had BNB, a coin that I had a couple times just for whatever reason bet against Binance. I had nice sized bags and got on too early, and then look at that, went up crazy. I think this is we have in the last few weeks we had a 700% gains. And I missed out on it. I didn't chase, but it's just the reality. Like I missed out on that one, and I sold too soon. Then I look at another one that just kind of took off. That I had to JOMO this one that I had broke my own rules. I was in early enough, but I got out. I think I'm not sure we're in it, but I got out a little too soon, and sure enough, pops almost 3,000%. I just had to JOMO. I mean, it kind of sucks, but then I have to also realize it's not my last trade. There's always other opportunities. The things that I did put those funds, those trades, that money into from Doge and Binance, those things have taken off, and I've had other winning opportunities since then. I mean, I look at I was able to get positions in DOT. I was able to get positions in DOT early on, and so that position has grown substantially. Not to mention you get the staking reward. So I'm just have to be thankful for that. Here's an opportunity where I am in, and I was able to get in it early. Uni was able to get in early on that one. Buying in the lows, and now Uni's up. So I mean, like I said, can't catch everything, but you could you can only catch what you can. And if you try to do what's called the shotgun approach, just have money all over the place. I mean, yeah, you may get some wins, but I found if there's a project that you're confident in, you can catch it in the early stages, is easier to just go heavier on a one project and try to be all over the place. And it's easier to monitor, track. It's less worries of having like 100 different positions, trying to figure out what's this position doing that day. And if it's a quality project, it's going to go up. Now, like I said, there's always more opportunities. So I may have gone over to CoinGecko, and I can see that if I look at just sorted by the 100, you can see what's going on the last 7 days, last 24 hours, 1 hour, whatever. But you can see there's always, you had Ravencoin 274% in the last couple days. I mean, the last week. You have a bunch of different things, bunch of different opportunities. And then if I want to see what is trending in the opposite direction, I mean, I can look at those and see maybe they may be opportunities as well. I mean, you can kind of use different tools to see what's going on. Also, another thing you could do is, let's say, for example, you missed those opportunities. You kind of newer in the space. You don't have anything. You try to find another trading thing. Well, you could, here I'm on coinigy. I'm GDAX's Coinbase Pro before it changed its name to Coinbase Pro. It used to be called GDAX. So I could look at all the USD pairs to see kind of what the charts look like. A lot of the charts kind of look the same because they're kind of following Bitcoin. But if I could find something that's like, a lot of them have come out of like their first breakout phase. But here we have Bitcoin Cash. I'm not sure I would participate in that one, but I mean, it does have moves. BNT is up kind of high. Maybe I would have to just JOMO that one. Obviously, Bitcoin. I'm not sure what C goals, but you could kind of just go down and just look and see if you can find anything like in a first or second breakout zone before, different than, let's say, BNB, which is just going straight parabolic. So this is how you can just kind of just go down, just look and see, well, what still looks earlier in the range. And then if I see something that's early in range, I can maybe go in and look and see, well, is this something, look at some more of the tokenomics, which we'll get into another video, but kind of see, is there something that I can look at? Like this one's things that are just, you have a lot of stuff that's kind of broken out of early range, but has it broken out of a secondary range? Like this is consolidating. So you can kind of look through and just get ideas, and just knowing there's always another opportunity. I mean, things that aren't parabolic may be a better option than trying to chase something that's going straight up, 700, almost 1,000% in a week's time. In crypto, your goal is to not get wrecked. And how do you not get wrecked? You don't your goal is to buy low and to sell high. Well, after something's going up this percent, I mean, yes, it's probable, it's possible. As I'm saying, it's probable, it's possible it goes up higher. But are you willing to bet that? Isn't this a safer bet to get in lower? And if you can identify other projects, which in this bull market that we're in, everything's going to kind of be taken off, is going to get life. So you can kind of identify other projects. I mean, I don't know if right now is the best time for accumulating different things because everything's moving so fast and there's going to be so much growth. So, there's more opportunity for swing trades versus trying to, pick up big bags of certain coins unless you're going to get it on a dip or a pullback or something like that. Right now, best opportunity is probably just in swing trading, some of these breakouts, or buying earlier in the positions and then wait till it goes up. So, look for another one, do the kind of same thing again, kind of just try to look to recycle the profits, which kind of talking on a high level over here, but we'll get more into those type of things later on. Also in the course that we have, I know we get more into the different trading styles and TA and so on and so forth. So, I mean, your goal is to stay alive, and staying alive, if you can master JOMO allows you to stay alive, because FOMO will get you kicked out the game soon. I mean, if you buy here, and I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but the next couple weeks, but I mean, if you have a pullback, on the fib retracement, I mean, it's possible they can come all the way down $100 or $150 anywhere in the sweet spot. But what's the safer play from a risk perspective is to kind of try to get stuff lower in the range. And one of the things about we don't really talk about that much as well in crypto is not losing your money, risk. Like I take risk. I mean, I'm in crypto, I trade crypto, so I'm obviously taking risks, but I'm trying to minimize the risk of what I'm doing in the crypto space. So hope this video helps. Don't forget JOMO, joy missing out. If you have any questions, you want to submit it, want us to go over anything, go to email at info@thecryptocraft.com. You can go to thecryptocraft.com for more information about different resources that we have. We do this every morning, every weekday morning. We have the daily no nonsense crypto minutes. If you like what we do, like the page, subscribe. Have a great day.